Hey guys, my name is Mike, and this is Math Tutoring with Mike. Hey, before we jump into our video, there are just a few things that I would like to review with you. The first thing is that I want to implore that at the end of this video, by the time that you reach the end of this video, I want to make sure that you understand the principles that we went over today in this video. So if you have to stop the video at any point in time, that you're confused, or if you have to rewind, I really want to suggest that you do that. The second thing is that after you've reached the end of this video, that you actually go back and try solving the example problems on your own. Doing this, I find, is very important with cementing the theories and cementing the understanding, that you actually understand what was reviewed. So, thirdly, chances are you came to this video with a specific problem that you had. If at the end of this video you realize that I have not addressed the specific problem that you are looking to solve, I invite you to leave me a comment or shoot me an email with your specific problem or specific question. And you have my word, I'll do my best to either preparing another video or reaching out to you personally how to solve that particular problem. Anyway guys, so on to our video. In this video, we'll see how to convert from a mixed number to an improper fraction. And then we'll also show how to go from that improper fraction to a mixed number. So we'll do it interchangeably. And for this first example, we'll just show you how 2 and 1/2 turns into 5/2 and vice versa. Okay, so first step. The first example is moving from a mixed number to an improper fraction. So there are actual steps in converting, and that is, what you want to do is you want to take this 2 and you want to multiply it with this whole number integer. So it would be this 2 multiplied by the whole number integer, and then we want to add whatever is in our numerator. In this case, it's a number 1. So this number would turn out to be 2 times 2, which is 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Okay, so what do we do with this 5 now? We then take this 5 and we put it in our numerator, and we bring down the denominator that we're working with, which in this case is a 2. Okay, and this is how 2 1/2 turns into 5/2. This is how we convert a mixed number into an improper fraction. Let's look at another example. Let's say we have 3 and 7/8. How do we convert this mixed number to an improper fraction? Okay, well, let's use the same principle. We want to take our denominator and we want to multiply it. So our denominator is 8. We want to multiply it with the whole number, which is 3. Put those in brackets, and then you want to add it with the 7. Okay, so 8 times 3 is 24 plus 7. 24 plus 7 is 31. Okay, so now we found 31. We want to now take this number and apply it to our numerator. So this 31 is going to be in our numerator. And then the denominator now is we're going to take whatever is in our denominator here, and we're going to move it here. So now the improper fraction becomes 31/8. Okay, so these are two examples of how we convert mixed fractions to an improper fraction. Okay, let's do another one just to solidify or show you, so it can cement your understanding. Okay, we have 4 and 1/5. Okay, so we take this denominator, we take the denominator and we multiply with the whole number, which is 4. Put those in brackets, and you want to add the numerator, which is 1. 5 times 4 is 20, plus the 1 makes it 21. So what do we do with this 21? We put it in our numerator, which turns out to be 21, divided by, we're going to bring down our denominator, which is 5, and the answer becomes 21 over 5. Now that we've seen examples of how to convert mixed number to an improper fraction, let's now look at how to convert an improper fraction to a mixed number. Well, to do that is quite simple, okay? To do that is quite simple. This implies, if you remember from dividing a fraction, we want to take our denominator and we want to put it in this form, if we recall that. And so we just say 2. How many times can 2 go into 5 without going beyond or over 5? Well, let's look at our multiplication table. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. So we can see that the 6 is going to be higher than the 5. So we see that it can't be 3, so it must be a 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. When we subtract, 5 times 4 equals 1. So now that we have that now, what we're going to do is we're going to say the whole number, which is the 2. And then the fraction is going to be 1 over 2. Okay, so this is how we convert 5 over 2 to 2 1/2, or convert an improper fraction to a mixed number by just simply dividing. Let's look at another example. 8 over 3. Okay, how do we convert this improper fraction to a mixed number? Okay, well, let's do the multiplication. Let's do the division, sorry. So you say, what number when multiplied by the 3 gives us a product that does not exceed or go beyond, or is not greater than the 8? Well, let's look at our multiplication table. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. So we see that the 9 is actually higher than the 8. So it cannot be a 3. Okay, so it must be the 2. So we take this 2 and we put it as our answer. 3 times 2 is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. Okay, so now we see that we have the whole number should be 2, remainder 2 over 3. So this is how we convert an improper fraction of 8 over 3 to 2 2/3. So you've made it to the end of the video. Good deal. I really hope that you understood what was reviewed today. Like I said earlier on in the video, I really think it's a good idea that you go back and try to solve the example problems on your own. That way you can prove to yourself, and you can help assure that you actually understand the problems. Well, until next time, with another tutoring session, another math tutoring session with Mike. See you guys.